Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please make sure you press the subscribe button down below to be part of the fam, and also so you guys don't miss no new uploads when they get uploaded. As you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be part 2 of the series that I've been doing, and basically it's about like me going through my business and stuff like that. I'll put the link of the previous video in the eye right here or somewhere right there, so you guys can basically catch up. Please don't mind this huge ass bump that's on my face. I tried everything to take it off. If you guys know anything to take off freaking bumps, please let me know. As you can tell by the title, this video is going to be how to get a free logo made, basically. As you can, like, there is a lot of ways that you can get like your logos made, but I'm just gonna tell you guys the way that I got it done, basically, and it basically was for free. I'm going to show you guys 2 ways, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the second part. Basically the first way that I used was I kind of just went online and pressed logo creation, or how to create a logo, and basically the first the first website that popped up was called Logo Joy. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can know which one it is, or I'm just gonna tag it down below in the description, so make sure you guys check out the description bar. It's called Logo Joy, and it's basically a logo website. This is not how my logo, this is not what I use for my logo right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. I'm basically gonna show you guys right here, somewhere right here, of the logo that I created with Logo Joy, and then in the second part I'm gonna show you guys the second logo that I previously have right now for my brand. Yeah, that basically was created for me. For Logo Joy, it's basically, the first thing it's gonna ask you is what's your company, the company name. It's gonna ask you the company name, then it's gonna ask you what type of company it is. Like, is it hair, is it a restaurant, is it a storefront, anything like that. Whatever your business is, that's what you're gonna put in the what type of company it is. And then also it's going to show you different types of logos. These logos it's gonna ask you to pick at least 4 or 5, I think. And oh my god, this shit is so huge. But anyways, it's gonna ask you 4 or 5 logos that you basically press, or 4 logos that you like, basically, that you would like to replicate. So you would press the 4 or 5 logos that it asks for. Then it's going to take you to the next step, where it's going to ask you the different colors that you want, like the theme, like the color that you want to go with. I think you could choose 2 different colors, I believe. I think 2. If anything, I think it's 1, but I'm 90% sure it's 2 different types of colors that you can choose from. And also it's going to give you the option to include your slogan. This is optional. You don't have to include your slogan in your logo, but it gave you that option if you do have a slogan and you want to include that in your logo. And also the last, anyways, back to what I was saying. It's going to give you the option to include your logo inside your no, it's going to give you the option to include your slogan inside your logo. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this. And also the last step is going to ask you is, well, it's not the last step, but it's basically after you've done all those steps, it's going to show you the different types of it's going to show you the different types of way that it basically is going to show your logo. Basically the different designs that they came up with for your logo, and it's gonna have a lot of them. Now you basically choose one that you like of the logo, and with that you don't have to necessarily pick that exact logo. When you click it, it's gonna give you the option to change it. Like, you'll be able to like change the color, change the text, the way the text is. Sometimes it has square around it. Sometimes they'll tell you to you could change like the square that's around it. You could, but like as in like changing the symbols and stuff like that, I don't think that it'll let you change that anymore. You'll probably have to go back to that step. But as in as in changing like the text, the colors, and yeah, stuff like that. It'll basically give you that option to do that. And after that, this is the way that I made it to be free. It If you do want to save it, like I guess with like high quality, you do have to download it. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure if it charges you like $5 or stuff like that. But me, I didn't go through that route. I basically just I think either screenshotted it, or I just downloaded or send it to my email, and I basically just had a copy of the logo. And it was basically for free. So, and it was really nice. The logos, they look very professional. That's actually what some of the many people use for like professional logos and stuff like that. They just go more deeper into that, which brings me into the second way that you can do your logo. This is not a free option, but it's very cheap. As you can see from my logo previous, I'm gonna put my new logo, which was created in the app called Fiverr or Fever. I'm gonna put it down right here, but it's basically called Fiverr. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are familiar with this app. It's basically an app that a lot of freelancers, you can use their services. Some are like web designers. They're anything you could think of, they basically have them in Fiverr. And you just basically in the search bar, you basically put logo creation or anything that relates to logo, and a list will pop up. It'll show you the ratings of their ratings. They'll show their reviews and stuff like that. So it's up to you to make sure you read. It's up to you to make sure you read the reviews and stuff like that and see how high they're ranked, to make sure that you get the best quality. And I think it ranges from $5 all the way to like $30 or $40 for logos. That's what I've seen. It's probably higher, it's probably lower. But for my logo personally, I paid $5. And also it adds a $2 tax. I think it's $2 tax. But I know in total I paid $7 for my logo. Now for my logo, I'm not sure if they would charge you guys more if you guys don't already have like a set up logo. This is where my first logo come into play. I basically sent them the way that I wanted my previous logo to look, and I just had a little bit of alterations that I wanted them to do, which was change like the background and the wordings and stuff, and like the color and the fonts, basically stuff like that. And they basically did that for you. Now if you don't have like a logo already, or if you have an idea, if you don't have a logo already, it's gonna give you a in the beginning, after you finish purchasing their service, it's gonna send you a form where it's gonna you have to explain your company, like basically what the company is, the name of it, like what's your target audience, stuff like that, basically like information about your company. And it's kind of lengthy, but make sure you're descriptive as possible so you can make sure you get the best results from them, because you have to be very specific, because they don't really know exactly how you want it if you don't have a like picture of anything that you want to replicate of. But I paid $7 for it, and I think that you guys already seen it right here, because I'll post the my logo or whatever. But yeah, those are the two websites that I use. You can personally use either or, and I'm gonna put the links down below if you guys want to check it out. And please comment down below in the comments if you guys have other free options that other people can use and stuff like that besides Fiverr or Logojoy. Just any other website that you guys use to create your logos and stuff like that. But if you guys have used Logojoy or Fever, comment down below and let me know how your experience was. Mine was very pleasant. They were really nice, and they made numerous alterations or revisions with my logo. All you got to do is message them. They're really nice people. So, well, the people that I use. I'll probably link the ones that I use down below. I'm not 100% if I will, but I'm going to put it down below if you guys want to use the person that I use, because he was a very nice, and they were very prompt. They got my logo done within, I think, 24 hours. So if you want your logo like fast, they'll basically have you covered. But that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and please make sure you press the subscribe button down below, and please make sure to look out for my next video, the next series, basically the next video. And yeah, comment down below if you guys like this video or these series, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.